again, Fragrance Fam. My name is Caitlin, and you're watching AFI's DIYs. If you haven't already got in touch with our sales teams to get your hand on this AFI Luxe Room Spray Base, hopefully this video will convince you to try it out. To show you just how easy it is to work with, I'll be using our Egyptian Oakmoss fragrance oil in this base for today's video. While I work on it, I'll give you my top reasons to start making your own fragrance sprays. An instant atmosphere transformation. Room sprays are one of the fastest ways to refresh a space and infuse it with fragrance. No waiting for a candle to cool, no plugins or burners, just a couple of spritzes and your room or linens will smell fresh and vibrant in no time. Layered scent experiences. When used alongside other products in your line, like candles, soaps, or diffusers, room sprays offer a chance to layer scent and create a signature fragrance profile for your brand. It's an opportunity for you to encourage purchases of bundle deals or gift sets with matching fragrances. Low cost, high impact. Room sprays are inexpensive to produce and can carry a strong profit margin. They also make great impulse buys or add-ons at checkout, both in person and online. Plus, our Luxe in-house room and linen spray base makes production as simple as measuring, mixing, and pouring, so you don't have to tack on a bunch of work. Broad customer appeal. Although the warm glow of a burning candle is beautiful, it's not always ideal for dorm room residents or households with curious kiddos and pets. From college students to fragrance lovers in scent-safe rental units, room sprays are apartment and travel friendly, making them an easy entry point for first-time buyers. As you can see, the air freshening liquid is crystal clear. No milkiness, which is a pretty common problem to run into when making room sprays at home. It sprays easily from the nozzle and doesn't leave oily residues behind. That being said, a couple spritzes is all you really need, so make sure that you're doing your own testing on any sheets or linens before you douse your house in your fragrance of choice. Be sure to check out our room and linen spray base if you haven't already. Leave us a comment or send us a DM on any of our socials linked below if you need help picking out a fragrance from our massive library. You might just find your new favorite bestseller. Thanks for watching, Fragrance Fam. Leave us a like before you head out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!